So Nick, what do you think of your transplant?
I'm delighted with the transplant. Dr. Gupta and his team were very professional, took very good care of me.
We're going to present Nick. He's 35 years old and came to see us 10 months ago, and you can see from the photographs that he had a recession of the anterior hairline. It looked like a Norwood 3 or a Norwood 4 pattern. The hair loss here, and this is definitely Norwood 3, close to Norwood 4. February the 5th. Today it's 10 months later, and you can see that he has a very good result with high density and a natural hairline. And you can see here that the hair has gone in extremely well, and you cannot tell it apart from the existing hair. So Nick, what do you think of your transplant?
I'm delighted with the transplant. Dr. Gupta and his team were very professional, took very good care of me. And the rate of growth of the hair has definitely exceeded my expectations. So I'm very happy with the result already.
What do you think of the hairline?
It looks very natural. I definitely can't even tell myself in the mirror from what I looked 10 months ago. And again, very happy with the result.
Has it had an effect on your social life, your business life? What do you think?
It's definitely made just made me feel more comfortable. And again, the result in terms of expectations, I definitely couldn't be more happy.
And what would be your advice to somebody looking to do a hair transplant or thinking about it?
I definitely say to consider. It's it changed my life. I definitely, like I said, am extraordinarily happy with the results. So I would encourage everyone to look into it as well.